Hi everyone, welcome back to my channel. Today we are going to learn something super important, that is squares of numbers. And now honestly, I use it to get confused a lot because there are so many methods to find squares. But the real problem was where do we use and which method, and how do we choose the fastest one. If you also feel the same, don't worry. In today's video, I'll make it very simple and clear, so you can solve squares quickly and confidently. Okay, so let's get started. First of all, I listed out 5 methods to find the squares of the numbers. Okay, first method is base 50 method, and this method is used for the numbers which are in between 26 to 75. So there are 3 steps we need to remember. First of all, the first step is the difference. How much is the given number more, or how much the given number is less than from 50. Okay, and we add or subtract the difference from 25, and we'll square the difference, and it must be 2 digits. If it is only 1 digit like 4 or 9 we are getting, so we will keep the 0 before the 4 or before 9. Okay, so let me take one example here, that is 48 square. Here I am taking. So this 48, how much it is less than 250? 2, right? So here we are subtracting 2 from 50 to get 48. So what we will do for to get first part, we will subtract the 2 from 25 also. So 25 minus 2 is 23. That will be first part. Okay, and the second part is square of the difference. So what is the 2 square here? 4. So what we will do here, we got only 1 digit. No, for that 1 digit, to make it 2 digits, we are keeping 0 before the actual digit. So it will become 04. So the result is 2304. Let me take another example also here. 56 square I am taking. So this 56, how much more than 256, right? So the difference I am taking here is 6. So the first part is, here we are adding 6 to 50 to get 56. No, in the same way we are adding the 6 to 25. So 25 plus 6 equals to 31. So this will become the first part, and the second part is square of the difference. What is the square of 6 here? 36. So the first part of the square is 31 and the second part is 36. So what is the result here? We will get 3136. So 3136. Okay, let me take another example also. 72 square I am taking. How much the 72 is more than 250? 22, right? If we add 22 to 50, we'll get 72 as the answer. So what is the difference here? We got as 22. So first of all, what is the first part here? We will add the 22 to 25. No, so 25 plus 22 equals to 47. This is the first part, and the second part is square of the difference. But here, what is the square of 22? We got 484, but here we got 3 digits. No, so what we will do, we will keep the last 2 digits as it is, and the before digit here 4 is there. No, we will carry forward this to first part. That means we will add this digit to the first part. Okay, so here 84 we are writing as it is, and whatever the first part 47 is there, for that 47 we are adding the carry forward 4. So 47 plus 4 equals to 51. This is going to be the actual first part. So first part is 51 and the second part is 84. So what is 72 square we got here? 5184. Simple, right? There is another simple method, is universal crisscross method. This is actually very simple. We can use for any number. Okay, and it is easy way. If you observe, if you learn this method, it will be easy to find out any square of 2 digit number. Okay, so the pattern of this universal crisscross method is a square, 2ab and b square. Let me explain you with one example. Okay, so 74 square I am taking here. So the first digit 7 is A I am taking, and the second digit 4 I am taking as B. So A square is 7 square, and 2AB is 2 into 7 into 4, and B square is nothing but 4 square. So here 7 square is 49 we got. 2 into 7 into 4 we will get 56, and 4 square is nothing but 16. So the unit digit we will write as it is 6, and whatever the 1 is there we are carry forwarding and adding to the before digit. So 1 plus 6 we will get 7 here, and here for this 56 we have the digit before 6 is 5. So this 5 is also carry forwarded to next before number, no? So 49 plus 5, how much you will get? 54. So what is 74 square actually here? 5476. Okay, so let me take another example here. 86 square I'm taking. So I'm writing in the same pattern: A square, 2AB, B square. A square is 8 square, 2AB is 2 into 8 into 6, and B square is 6 square. 6 square is 36, and 2 into 8 into 6 is 96, and 8 square is 64. So the unit digit we will write as it is, and this 3 is carry forwarded and added to before digit. So 3 plus 6 equals to 9, and this 9 is also added to the before digit or before number here. So 9 plus 4 is 13, or 64 plus 9 is 73. So what is the result here? We got 7396. This is the universal crisscross method, and this is very easy method. If you need to find out any square of a number, you can blindly use this method. Okay, so the third method is squaring numbers ending in 1. Okay, the numbers which are ending with 1, what is the square of those numbers? Okay, here there are some steps we need to follow for this method also. First of all, 31 square I am taking as an example. Whatever the number is ending with 1, we will round it up to the nearest number. So 31 is rounded, I am rounding up to 30. Okay, so square it. So 30 square we will get 900. Keep that aside. Next, what we will do? So what we are using rounded up to the 30, right? 30 plus the given actual number 31. 30 plus 31 equals to 61. We add the 61 to 900. So 900 plus 61, how much you will get? 961 is the answer. Let us take another example here. 61 square. 61 is rounded to 60. So square of 60 is 3600. So 60 plus 61 is 121. We are adding this 121 to 3600. You will get 3721. Okay, like this we will find the squares of the numbers which are ending with 1. And the fourth method is the numbers which are ending with 5. So 25 square we already know as 625, but let me explain with this method. First of all, we will write the unit digit square. 5 square we already know as 25, no? So I'll keep that aside. Next, whatever 2, the number before 5 is there, 2, and the next number for the 2 is 3, right? 2 into 3, how much you will get? 6. So this is the first part, and this 25 is the second part. So what is the answer? You will get 625. So let me take another example here. 75 square. So what is 5 square here? 25. Yes. So what is 7? 7 next number how much? 8. No. What we will do? We will multiply with the next number. So 7 into 8, how much you will get? 56. So 56 is the first part, and 25 is the second part. So what is the result you will get here? 75 square equals to 5625. The fifth method is base 100 method, and this method we use for the numbers which are from 76 to 125. Let me take one example here. 98 square. How much this 98 is less than 200? 2, right? So that is difference is 2 I am taking. So the square of the difference is how much? 2 square equals to 4, no? So 4 is single digit. So what we will do, we'll keep 1 0 before the digit to make it 2 digits. Okay, that will become 0 4. Then after whatever the difference is there, we will subtract the difference from the given number. So that the given number is 98 and the difference is 2. Why I am subtracting here? Why? Because here this 98 is 2 less than 200, no? That is the reason. That means if we subtract 2 from 900, you will get 98. We are subtracting here. That's the reason we are subtracting the 2 again from the given number. 98 minus 2 equals to 96. So 96 is the first part, and here 04 is the second part. Okay, so here what is the answer you will get here? 9604 as the answer. 98 square equals to 9604. Let me take another example here. 125 square I am taking. So what? How much more? This 125 to 125, right? 100 plus 25 equals to 125. So we are adding 25 to 100 to get 125. So the difference I am taking here as 25. So the square of difference how much? 625. But here if you observe, this is 3-digit number and we need only 2 digits, no? So this 6 is extra. This is carry forwarded to the first part. What is the first part? Whatever the number here we are adding to 100, that is added to given number 125. 125 plus 25 equals to 150. So 150 and the plus the carry forward number 6. 150 plus 6 equals to 156. This is the actual first part, and the second part is the square of the difference. How much? 625. But we will take only 2 digits. So 25 I am taking here. So 156 and 25. That will become 15,625. So the square of 125 is nothing but 15,625. Okay. These are the 5 methods that I actually listed out to make the squares simple. So if you like this video, please do like and share to your friends, and subscribe to my channel for more videos. Okay, thank you for watching, and bye bye.